Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger device control. To know how to fix or how to solve your device problem or device control, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will search about the messenger app and you will enter here. Then this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, it may cause a lot of errors or issues that you have on your app. So then you can, if it's not working with you can click here to turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.